Child trafficking is an issue which is not just pertains to Telangana, but it also a global issue. A child may be trafficked for the purpose of sex, for the purpose of labor, for the purpose of various other ways of trafficking, like used for begging, for bonded labor, etc. And in Telangana, we have a separate wing working for the sake of children in need of care and protection, and it is looked after by anti-human trafficking module of Women Safety Wing, Telangana State. Here we function in a very methodical way where processes are set up, and we believe in a firm policy that we don't work in isolation, because when I initially said that it is a global phenomena where we are not excluded from it, we cannot also work as a law enforcement agency in an isolated way. We work with lots of stakeholders, including the other government departments like Women and Child Development Department. We work with Education Department, Health Department, as well as various NGOs who have pioneered and who have made their mark in this particular trafficking issues with respect to children. The process is very clear, and as per the instructions from the Government of India from time to time, as well as from the state government, we do take up rescue as well as rehabilitation of the child who is trafficked. At a very large scale, we do take up also the Operation Muskan as well as Operation Smile twice in a year, in January as well as in July months, where children who are in vulnerable situations are rescued on a mass scale across the state, as well as the children who are trafficked from other states into Telangana. And now in this process, basically a child who is rescued is produced before CWC, and based on the orders from the CWC, the child is immediately, the rescued child, in the presence of concerned WCD department, as well as it is all done by involving proper SJPUs at every level. And once the child is rescued, as per the order, they are either placed in the child care institutions, or they are given to the parents for their well-being and further protection. In this process, we have very good success stories, I should say, by involving the various stakeholders, especially during COVID times. We have made a small initiative where we have involved youngsters and NGOs on a big scale in the process of testing and looking at ourselves whether the rescues which we have done earlier have been successful, whether they have added to bring smiles on the faces of children. And now this day, out of 400 to 500 cases where children have been rescued in January, we can proudly say that about 235 have been documented so far, to see whether the role of each stakeholder is proper or whether it requires any kind of gap filling exercise by understanding from the role of NGOs. And I should say volunteers, that is youngsters who have been roped in for this particular purpose, who are working with mentorship of various NGOs, especially Save the Child, as well as other NGOs like Red Alert, who have been involved, now can say and they can appreciate in a very critical way what is the role of police in the rescue operation, what is the role of CWC, and how various stakeholders can play a very big role in bringing back smile onto a child. And let us all work together. I can only say that we should all work together in much more bigger scale to see that child is not trafficked in this country for whatever purpose it is.